Africa for the past 5 years.
Yeah.
Artists are waji dimpa.
Okay.
6 albums, 2 mixtapes, 2 EPs. Artists are 2 billion streams in the UK only.
Yeah.
Or 6 billion streams on Spotify. Oko YouTuber, he's the most viewed artist in Africa. He's the only African artist or this solo album Aji Grammys.
Okay.
Or BET.
Yeah.
4 times.
Guys.
Africa will be any Oko UK the biggest stadium of UK is the only artist I was selling outside stadium.
Yeah.
Oko France you're nominating the albums via a gold in France.
Good.
Or 2 albums are not platinum. That means first week you know sell 500,000 plus.
Yeah.
Or nye artist kitwa. I'm talking about Burna Boy, Damini. This artist and go for a question so many times say Adena Burna Boy for a very long time. Ni entity ni didn't say the video ne Wizkid. Burna Boy nya issue bi o UK.
Okay.
Stabbing issue bi. Oni nkofo kunya asem. Inti for bare 7 years e baneno from UK.
Okay.
Inti traveling outside for shows and all these things, you know. When to me anya sa anya no. Inti na Burna Boy. The success and nkofo mu ni late.
Okay.
But he's an artist. Won't mean downplaying the talent.
Yeah.
To say baby o jina no. Artists be anywhere or Africa or Tono. Nigeria to build Burna Boy no costly than any other artist.
Yeah.
Ne maame how it's a manager recently omobo UK show ni we no be kan say say Burna Boy bo show back wa scano munya no a bit marketer for more for the rest of the year.
Wow.
This artist asem me eka nti Burna Boy nye ni paketwa ya we shine well. Burna Boy dey himself or a lot under his sleeves.
Yeah.
A very close friend of mine. Very close to Burna Boy. Reese.
Yeah.
Sana my friend near friend. Into Burna Boy doing uniform, me chair Reese. And I make catch was a make Burna Boy who I said.
Yeah.
Fees, my memory.